Headlight oxidation like this can be damaging to your vehicle, and failing an MOT can affect your bank balance. This problem can be easily fixed with Autoglym's new Headlight Restoration Complete Kit. This handy kit contains everything you need to complete the process on your front lights, but please ensure you're confident with the drill before using the product. You'll need a fully charged drill with the speed setting between 1200 and 1600 RPM. You'll need some masking tape, a spray bottle of water, a couple of clean cloths. We recommend wearing old clothes and safety glasses as the process can be a bit messy. Step 1 is preparation. Lift the bonnet and carefully mask off the area around the lens using at least 3 to 4 layers of tape, and ensure no edges are left exposed. First off, we need to attach your backing plate to your drill. The first disc you need is a green P800. Attach it to the backing plate like this. Using medium pressure, begin sanding the surface of the headlight. Make sure you keep the paper flat against the headlight and use an even up-down, side-to-side motion. If you notice the disc becoming clogged, simply replace it with a new one. Once you have an even finish with a milky white surface, wipe down the headlight and then check to see if the defects have been removed. Next, we need to refine the surface. Take the green P1500 disc and attach it to the backing plate. Work over the headlight using the same medium pressure and the method used previously. Ensure the disc is replaced as required and the area is dusted regularly. Once this stage is complete, the heavier flatting marks should be visibly removed and you should be left with a milky finish like this. Repeat the process if you haven't achieved an even finish, as this will make the final polishing even easier at the end. Next, attach the red P2000 abrasive foam disc to the backing plate. Then using a spray bottle, dampen the foam disc and the headlight. Using the same pressure and motion as before, work over the headlight, but keep adding water if the area becomes dry. The heavier marks should now be removed, leaving a slightly cloudy finish. Be sure and check that you have achieved an even finish before moving on. For the final step of this stage, repeat the process but using the red P3000 disc. The last stage of the process is polishing. For this you will need the white compounding foam attached to the backing plate. Apply a small amount of headlight restoration compound to the pad, about the size of a 20p piece. Then before you turn the drill on, spread the compound across the surface of the lens. Next, holding the foam pad to the lens, turn on the drill. Buff the lens until a clear finish is achieved. Add more compound if necessary as you go. Repeat this process until a gleaming finish is achieved. Finally, remove the compound residue with a clean cloth. If any heavy flatting marks are still visible after buffing, repeat the process from the P3000 disc stage.